Hello students. Today in maths class we are proceeding to exercise number 7 of chapter 3 and today's topic is word problems. Word problems are also called as statement sums. So today we will understand and practice how to solve word problems related to subtraction. Let me give you a brief introduction of word problems. So what are these? When questions of mathematics are presented in the form of a story, we call them as word problems. When there are some questions which are presented in the form of a story or in the form of a statement, we call them as a word problem. These word problems does not only include stories, they also have some numbers in it which we use to solve them, right? So in short, word problems have some story statements and including numbers. So we will use that information and numbers to solve that particular problem. So here is our example number 1. Children, as you can see, I have written a paragraph over here. So this is a word problem, right? Let us read this first. Mrs. Khanna has rupees 8,28,050 in her bank account. She spent rupees 4,57,375 to buy a new car. How much money is left in her bank account? Children, while reading this statement, while reading this story, I was able to imagine that Mrs. Khanna, she has a bank account and in her bank account this much of amount is there, and once she bought a car and she spent this much of amount. Now I need to calculate how much is left with her. जैसे ही मैंने इस स्टोरी या इस स्टेटमेंट को पढ़ा तो मेरे माइंड में एक सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो गई. आई वॉज एबल टू विजुअलाइज मिसेस खन्ना. मुझे दिख रहा था कि मिसेस खन्ना है, उनके बैंक में इतना अमाउंट है, देन शी परचेज अ न्यू कार, उन्होंने इतनी पेमेंट दी है. तो अब मुझे ये बताना है कि उनके पास कितना अमाउंट बचा है. दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू सॉल्व द statement sums, and believe me, when you start creating things in your brain, in your memory, you will start enjoying the maths as well. Okay, but let me tell you the rules of these. Before giving solution of these word problems, what things we need to keep in mind. Point number 1, word problem has a solution in the words itself. स्टेटमेंट सम्स हैं तो उसका सॉल्यूशन भी आपको स्टेटमेंट्स में देना होगा, यानी आपको स्टेटमेंट भी लिखनी है और नंबर्स भी लिखने हैं, और सॉल्यूशन के बाद जो आंसर आएगा वो भी आपको स्टेटमेंट के साथ लिखना होगा. ऑलराइट, सो फॉर सॉल्विंग स्टेटमेंट सम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आइडेंटिफाई द नंबर्स. सो वी हैव 8,28,050 with us and we have 4,57,375 with us. Okay, तो ये दो नंबर्स हैं. नाउ एसोसिएट द स्टेटमेंट्स विद इट. फर्स्ट फिगर के साथ या फर्स्ट नंबर के साथ क्या स्टेटमेंट एसोसिएट है और सेकंड के साथ क्या स्टेटमेंट एसोसिएट है, वो स्टेटमेंट आपको एज इट इज लिखनी है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, स्टेटमेंट्स आर टू बी रिटन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ इक्वल and numbers are to be written on the right side of equal. Okay, so let's start. So Mrs. Khanna has this amount in her bank account, so I can shorten this also. You can also write Mrs. Khanna has in her bank account, or simple you can also write money in bank account, like I am writing money in बैंक अकाउंट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम राइटिंग अ पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन जो मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है. नाउ पुटिंग एन इक्वल साइन. नाउ आई विल राइट दिस नंबर ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ इक्वल, राइट? दिस इज 8,28,050. सो आई एम डन विद माई फर्स्ट नंबर एंड फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज द सेकेंड नंबर? दिस इज 4,57,375. And the statement associated with it is spend this amount to buy a new car. So in the next line I will write spent to buy a car. Okay, so what is the amount? 4,57,375. So I am writing over here 4,57,375. Now what I need to do? How much money is left? This I have to do. कि कितने amount बची है. Okay, so in the next line I will write over here money left in account, or simply you can write money left. Okay, तो अब ये तो आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. तो what would you do? You will subtract. आप 4,57,375 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे टोटल अमाउंट में से, एंड दैट इज वेरी इजी फॉर यू, इजंट इट? सो 10 minus 5, 5. This is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. This would be 4, and it will become 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Make circle so that it would be easy for you. Okay. Now this would be 9. So 9 minus 3, 6. This would be 7. 7 minus 7, 0. This would be 12. 12 minus 5, 7. This would be 7. 7 minus 4, 3. Now how much amount is left? So this is our answer. Rupees 3,70,675. This is the right way, this is the correct way to solve word problems. Okay, so you can also write Mrs. Khanna has rupees 3,70,675 in her bank account, or simply you can mention rupees 3,70,675. So here we are with another example. Let us read this first. Spider-Man brought 2,51,764 chocolates. He distributed 1,30,324 to the students of Apollo International School. Look, Spider-Man has brought chocolates for you and he has distributed also. So how many chocolates are left with the Spider-Man? So again, this is a word problem. So solution will also be in statements, right? So first of all, we will identify the numbers. We have circled the numbers. Now let us write, or let us pick up the information or the statement associated with these numbers. So Spider-Man brought chocolates, right? So I am writing over here. On the left side, statement is to be written. Spider-Man brought chocolates is equal to, now we will write the number of the chocolates, 2,51,764. Okay. Now he distributed these much chocolates. So I am writing chocolates distributed. How many chocolates distributed? 1,30,324. And how many are left? So I am writing left chocolates. Or you can write chocolates left with Spider-Man. So we will subtract these two numbers. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So how many chocolates are left with Spider-Man? 1,21,440. So here we will write answer 1,21,440 chocolates. This is mandatory to write, okay, because this is a statement sum. So your answer should also have some words in it. All right, I hope this is clear to you. So here are some points to remember while solving word problems related to subtraction. So number one, statement sums or word problems, they always have solutions and answers in statements. As I told you in the beginning of the video, कि जब भी आप वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स या स्टेटमेंट सम सॉल्व करते हो तो उसके सॉल्यूशंस में भी स्टेटमेंट्स और उसके आंसर में भी स्टेटमेंट्स होने जरूरी हैं. सेकंड इज कीवर्ड्स फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. लुक, If you are doing addition and subtraction word problems together, how you will identify in which sum addition is to be performed and in which sum subtraction is to be performed. Let me translate this in Hindi. अगर आपको एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स एक साथ दे दिए जाएं, सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू आइडेंटिफाई कि मुझे कौन से स्टेटमेंट सम में एडिशन करना है और कौन से स्टेटमेंट सम्स में सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. सो हेयर आर सम कीवर्ड्स. अगर आपको इनमें से कुछ भी स्टेटमेंट सम्स में मिलता है तो इट मीन्स आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. हाउ मेनी आर लेफ्ट, हाउ मच आर लेफ्ट, विच इज लेसर, how much is less, how much is more, find the other, what is added, decrease, take away, difference. अगर इनमें से कोई भी वर्ड आपको किसी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में मिलता है तो इट मीन्स आपको क्या परफॉर्म करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन. यू कैन नोट इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक्स एज वेल. So today we had learned about the word problems, how to solve statement sums of subtraction. And also we came to know about some keywords of subtraction which indicates that in this particular word problems we have to perform subtraction. Now it's your time to practice. Good luck.